Today's recipe gives you the permission to make cake for yourself. It's all in a mug cake. Check it out. Recipes like this one and many others are inside of my newest cookbook, the Clean Treats Cookbook. I'm gonna leave details below this video. I promised you we were gonna make recipes from the book, and here is another one. Today's recipe is awesome because everything comes together inside a single mug. The first thing we're gonna do is add our oat flour. Then next we have cocoa powder. In it goes. Next, the coconut sugar. We're also adding some baking powder to our recipe and a little bit of salt. Now grab your fork and mix it all up. To the dry mixture, I'm going to add coconut oil, some almond milk, a little bit of almond butter. I guess if you don't have almond butter, you could use peanut butter or your nut-free alternative, and a few chocolate chips. I'm gonna take my fork and mix everything around. Now this goes in the microwave for just 1 minute. And just like that, in 1 minute, our cake is ready. Check it out.